Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with minimal setup. Ensure the Tune 510BT has battery and is off on any other device. Press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the LED alternates blue and red. This forces pairing mode. Now switch to your phone's Bluetooth menu and scan. You should see JBL Tune 510BT. Tap it to begin pairing. Do this promptly because the headphones time out if unused, and pairing mode is the quick path to a stable connection. Once you tap the JBL entry, your phone often shows a pairing prompt. Accept any permission requests for calls and media audio because those let the headset handle sound and microphone. If the phone asks to set priority, choose media. After the phone shows connected, play a short audio clip so you can fine-tune volume on both devices. Sometimes the phone's output level is low by default. If call audio is needed, make a quick test call to verify microphone routing and voice clarity. You're nearly done. Make sure the phone shows the JBL as a trusted device so it reconnects automatically when both Bluetooth and the headset are on. If things fail, reset the headphones. Power them off, then press and hold the power plus volume up together for around 5 to 10 seconds until the LED indicates reset. After that, repeat pairing steps. Also check that no other phone is currently connected. If so, either disconnect that device or use the phones. Forget option to clear privacy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.